Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miracle Osajele, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fund a Namesilo account. And what is Namesilo? Namesilo is an account that you can use to buy a domain name and a hosting, right? So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can actually fund your Namesilo account just the way you fund Namecheap account and buy domain name and hosting from them, right? So let me walk you through on how to fund your Namesilo account. All right, so this is our Namesilo account. Let me type in namesilo.com, right? All right, so first of all, you know that when you want to create a Namesilo account, you must, before you buy domain name and hosting from Namesilo account, you must first of all create an account, right? So there is a video in this particular YouTube channel where you can actually create a Namesilo account before you can start funding your Namesilo account and also buy domain name and hosting. But I will be talking about that right now. Instead, what I'm going to be doing is for me to show you how you can actually how you can actually fund a Namesilo account right here on this channel, right? So now the first I need to do is to come over here and log on to my channel, right? So okay, I think I'm already logged in. So all I need to do is to come here and then click on my account, right? Click on my account, or once I click on my account, this is how it looks like. Though the site is very old, the site looks like an old website, though the interface is not so fine like the one of Namecheap or Bluehost, right? But you can see that we have these accounts. We have account homepage here where we can actually fund, or where you can actually do whatever you want to do. You can see account homepage, you can see domain manager, you can see transfer manager. If I click on domain manager now, you're going to see that I have just one domain name right here, right? And I want to actually fund this account so I can buy another domain name. Okay, right? Look at it. So you can see this is a domain name, right? And this is a hosting. So all I want to show now, you can see that we have just one domain name right inside this place. So I want to buy a domain name, right? So all I need to do is to first of all fund my Namesilo account so I can buy a domain name, right? Good. So all I need to do now is to actually go down to my account, right? I think I already have one or two stuff on my cart. That's why you can see that there. So all I need to do is to go to my account, and then when I scroll down, you're going to see where you can fund. You can see account overview, right? Account overview, and then you can see last logins, the last time I logged in. That's what it's showing me now, right? Then account fund balance, right? Look at it. So when you want to fund your account, you can do add fund, right? So I'm just going to click on add fund. Then how many dollars do I want to put? So I want to put $12, right? I want to put $12. All I need to do is to click on checkout, right? I need to do is to click on checkout. So once it's done loading from here, the next thing I need to do is for me to come down here and click on show more, and then click on BitPay. Now the reason why so many people find it difficult to buy domain name hosting here in this country, Nigeria, right? Because of the dollar rate and also because of there is no visual card, right? Since I've been a web designer, I've been having these challenges, but for like a period of 5 months where they have actually stopped using visual card to pay for domain name hosting online or to buy anything online, I've actually searched out, okay, how do I buy this stuff? And I found out that using Bitcoin to buy domain name hosting is one of the best methods to actually buy a domain name and hosting from any hosting platform, right? So after now, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually transfer this fund to this particular hosting platform. I mean, these are Namesilo, right? I mean, this Namesilo platform. How you can actually send it to them. I'm going to be showing you through my phone, right? I'm going to be showing you through it. So you just have to wait down. You just have to watch this video till the very end to see how this is done, right? So once you click on BitPay, all you need to do is to click on proceed, right? All you need to do is to click on what? Proceed. When you click on proceed, you also have to wait a bit and let it load up the interface of BitPay for you so they can pay, right? Now you can say, okay, well, I see Namesilo LLC, right? Please select where you will be paying from. Okay, I want to pay from Trust Wallet, right? Because it is through Trust Wallet I want to pay for my domain name and hosting, right? So then the next thing I need to do is to click on continue. And once I click on continue, it's going to tell me, okay, which currencies do you want to use in paying for domain hosting? Now, you know, we have Naira, we have dollar, we have Ghana cedis, we have Canadian dollar and all of that, right? These are different currencies, right? Now, you can see over in this particular area, you cannot see anything like Naira or dollar, right? You can't see anything like that. So the currencies you see here are all digital currency, right? The currency you see you normally use on a daily basis is the currency that you use in buying one or two things right there at the market, or that's the normal daily exchange for the dollars we use in buying for the naira we use in buying one or two things. All right, good. But this is digital currency, so we're going to be selecting digital currency, which is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Litecoin. Right now, kindly note that this is digital currency. This is not like the normal currency, you know, which is like 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira. No, right? So now, which currency do I want to use to pay for this? I want to use Bitcoin Cash, right? Why do I use Bitcoin Cash? Because there is a reason. Because you know, when you're buying, when you want to pay through with Bitcoin, the funds, Bitcoin takes charges and all of that. But when you're buying domain name and when you want to buy BCH do not charge you for anything, right? They do not charge you, so it's more like free. So that's why I use BCH to buy, and always look for any hosting company that supports BCH so that I can pay with BCH, right? Imagine you want to buy something worth of $4, right? Using Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will now collect $2. So that's more like extra charges. So you don't need that, right? You don't need that. So instead we do BCH. So all the next thing I need to do now is to verify my email. All I need to do is to come here and do my email, right? osajele@gmail.com. All right. Then the next thing to do is to come here and click on check this particular box and then click on submit. Right, click on submit. All right, good. So this is the interface, right? Now the next thing to show you now is to show you how you can pay through your mobile phone. Right now, the next thing to do is for me to go over to my mobile phone right now. All right, now I want to buy. I want to send money. I think about $12 BCH down to my Namesilo account right now. So all I need to do now is to go over to my Trust Wallet account. So all I need to do is to close my Trust Wallet, and then let me verify. Good, right? This is my Trust Wallet account. So let me go back. Let me show you. All right, so you can see that on my Trust Wallet account I have $13, right? And Bitcoin is $13, and then Bitcoin Cash is $13, and then Bitcoin is 0.37 USD, right? So that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for Bitcoin Cash. That's where I have money, right? Because my option there is for me to use Bitcoin Cash to pay via Namesilo, right? So all I need to do is to click on the Bitcoin Cash and then click on send, right? Now, when you click on receive, it means that you have to copy your address and send to somebody, so for you to be able to receive a Bitcoin Cash. But now I'm not doing that. Instead, I'm going to send to this particular hosting platform. So all I need to do is to come here and click on send. And once I click on send, the next thing I need to do is for me to scan. Look at, you can see this stuff right here. This stuff right here means scan, right? So you can actually scan the QR code so that you can actually pay to them like that. But if you don't want to use that, you can actually copy their address. You can copy their address if you have the address, and then paste it here on the recipient address, paste it there, and then include the amount and continue, right? But look at what I want to do now. I want to click on this particular section, and once I click on that particular section, all I need to do is to come here and then scan through that QR code. You can see that the address right now, right? You can see the address, and this is the amount you want to pay, right? 12.12. That's what you want to pay right now, and this is the equivalent code. The equivalent code is there on the dashboard of my screen. So you can see that all you need to do is to click on continue, right? Immediately click on continue. The next thing you have to do is to click on confirm, because you already know that this is what you want to send to this particular company, right? You now click on confirm. Automatically, you have to verify, and after that, immediately your money will be in progress, right? The money you send, the BCH you send will be in progress automatically. Now, good. Now you can see that on the Namecheap, on the Namesilo account, you can see that $12 successfully be sent. Have you seen that now? So you can do return to Namesilo, right? You can do return to Namesilo, and once you do that return to Namesilo, it means the money have been paid. The next thing you need to do is just for you to wait, hold on, and make sure that the money reflects on your account, right? Make sure it reflects on your account. Now, one thing about Namesilo is this, or Namecheap, any platform you use, when you pay them through through Bitcoin and all of that, the payment always takes time. So what do? You just have to wait, have patience, and make sure you give them about probably 20 to 30 minutes. Let's just say 10 to 30 minutes for the money to reflect, right? Because they need to verify if they need to verify the receipt or whatever. But in general terms, they need to verify that you have sent the money, and they will phone your account immediately, right? Immediately. So let me just go. Let me refresh this particular section and let's see what we have here, right? Okay, so if the payment is done, on a normal note, if the payment is done, you're going to see that this particular section is going to load and tell you payment successful. All right, so you can see that payment has been successfully made, right? There's a video that I've done on how to actually buy this domain from Namesilo and build a website on it. Namesilo service is good, is as good as Namecheap, right? And I recommend you using Namesilo to do anything like web design. So thank you guys for listening to me, and thank you for joining me on this particular channel. So thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.